how you doing, guys? I'm Jay Sang from Pinnacle Advanced Driving Academy. I'm one of the co-owners.
I'm Colin, another co-owner as well, the other crazy guy involved in this.
And yeah, we're here on Misfits Motorsports lapping day, and one of the big differences from what we do and what we help Misfit do is that we run a lot safer event. I'm sure you guys have probably come out to open lapping before potentially and seen some questionable driving and maybe some of the rules not being forced, and you might be a little bit apprehensive about bringing your cars out. Well, that's kind of why Misfit hires us. Pinnacle Advanced Driving Academy, we're all about making sure that people come out and have a really great time and stay really safe. And I think one of the big differences, again, when we run our private lapping days like this with someone like Misfit, is that we make sure that there's actually proper marshals that are here actually enforcing the rules, and more importantly, we limit the amount of cars and we actually enforce the passing rules. But I'm sure Colin can talk a little bit more about some of the safety and some of the other stuff that we do to make sure that you have a great time, and like I said, you go home safe with your car.
Yeah, so the one thing we do is we have a very consistent set of rules. Different track days and different events will have sometimes some variation in terms of the rules and the flags and certain things. The good thing with going with us is that we have a consistent set that we kind of use, which is a bit of international standard that most events adhere to because it is the safest rule set out there. So the good thing is obviously it's going to be a safe day like we said. The other advantage to having Pinnacle at the event is we offer instruction. So you have us here to just answer anything from just quick tips, quick little answers for questions, or if you actually want to hire us to sit with you for any length of time throughout the day, we have our professionally trained instructors here available to help you as well. The big thing with that too is a lot of people might have lapping experience, whether you be new or a very experienced driver, but unless you've actually had instruction, a lot of times you may not be aware of what you actually don't know in terms of driving. So as a newbie or an advanced driver, it's always beneficial to have that instruction there available as well. So the real big advantage to having Pinnacle as opposed to other lapping days, kind of like Jay alluded to, is you get the safety, you get the organization, you get some consistency, and also you get some instruction as part of the mix as well. So for that reason, we're really glad you partnered with Misfits Motorsports. Aside from the fact we have to put up with a bunch of Camaro owners, but that's okay. You know what? Surprisingly, they're a good group of Camaro owners. I know I can't believe I'm saying that, but trust me, they're good. If we can put up with them, so can you.